Okay, so today we're going to replace these hood hinges. For all of those that was wondering, do I have a hood? Yeah, we got a hood. We've already replaced that one. This one is next. This one is next. We're putting the glass in and just put the door handles on. There's a lot of shit in this trunk too, so I'm gonna show you some of this stuff in this trunk. This is okay. This is one of the old hinges that we done already took off. And this is the hood, y'all, that I told y'all I got. I actually got a hood. Okay, so it's a lot of more shit in the trunk or whatever. We can go around here. So it's a lot of more stuff that we do have. We're gonna try to get that on today too. So we got the grill, of course. We're gonna get that on. I think somebody said in the comments to do the tune up. We got all that stuff in here. We got the pieces to the sides. So yeah, we got all our stuff in here. All our wires, part of the wires. We're gonna try to get it done today. We're gonna make it happen. So we're gonna drive it down here, put it on the highway, and come on back. Y'all ride along with us, ride along with us. And then kind of do in front of us when we get on the interstate here. In front of us too. When we get on the highway, do that. Don't do the next. I have to take a look right out. Woo! Okay, okay, okay. Shut the door. Oh, we was shit. Don't want that to happen again. You block this motherfucker. Just in case. I think we're good after that.